Dentist. Let's put it together. Treatment chair. Desk. Treatment tool. The dentist can treat all kinds of minor dental problems. Kids, remember to brush teeth carefully. Let's experience it together. Let's examine the teeth of these two patients. Oh, my teeth hurt. Let me check your teeth. Open your mouth. Ah! Oh! The tongue is so dirty. Scrape it clean first. Blow away bad smell and freshen your breath. Let's look for the bad teeth. The teeth with cavities are found. You are awesome! More cavities are found. There are 3 teeth with cavities. Tooth extraction is needed. Extract the decayed teeth first. Drag the pliers up to pull out the decayed. Put the decayed teeth on the plate. Apply anti-inflammatory ointment. Implant the false root. Scan the false root to make a tooth of appropriate shape. Connect stars to print a suitable false tooth. Apply the false tooth in the right place. Treatment is complete. Decayed teeth are all replaced by sturdy false teeth. Thank you, Doctor. Brush your teeth thoroughly and scrape your tongue as well, so you can have healthy teeth. Ouch! My teeth hurt badly. Let me check your teeth. Open your mouth. Ah! Ah! Put on mouth gag and check the gums. The gums are a bit swollen. Anti-inflammatory treatment is needed. Apply potion to wounds and swelling. Drag the machine to check the teeth. 2 decayed teeth are found. These 2 decayed teeth have small cavities. Dental filling treatment is needed. Dig out the black cavities first. There are a lot of bacteria coming from the cavities. Get rid of them quickly. Clean your teeth with water. Cavities are all cleaned up. Fill the cavities with fillings. Make the fillings hard with Blu-ray. The cavities are filled. Now polish the teeth. Treatment is complete. The bad bacteria are gone and the dirty cavities are filled. Thank you, doctor. Remember to brush your teeth every day and rinse your mouth after meals so you will not get cavities. Remember to brush your teeth carefully and take good care of your teeth. Wow! Here are the coins from my hard work.